What I'm going to show you here is how to find an image of a celebrity if you want to do a picture of a celebrity for your project. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go, instead of going on my launcher here, I'm just going to go to Google. And in the bar, I'm going to type in whatever celebrity I want to look up. So let's just say I want a photo of Obama. Okay, so now this comes up, and I'm going to go into, instead of all in news, I'm going to click on images. I'm going to find a bunch of pictures. Okay, now there's a lot of good pictures of Obama here. One of the things I want you to look at is the picture straight on or relatively straight on? Okay, this one's straight on. He's looking right at us. That's a great picture. Okay, this doesn't have good contrast. Like this one's great. This has a lot of good contrast, meaning there's a shadow over here and there's light over here. This is another great one right down here of him waving. So these are good ones. I want to stay away from ones where he's kind of sideways. Those aren't really good images. Ones where he's like looking weird in a different direction, that's not good. Now the other thing that I want you to look for is the size of the image, meaning what is the ratio or how high resolution it is. That is going to also help you out in finding a good picture, especially when we enlarge it. So let's look at a few of these pictures and choose which one would be the best one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hover over it. And right down here you can see it says 800 by 452. That's a really good size image. Okay, that's a great one. 240 by 240, not good, because especially since we're going to need to crop his face, that's going to wind up being really pixelized and blocky. This one's okay, 1200 by 600, but I don't like the image it has here. So just looking at a few of them that I have, the one, oh, this is a great one. Look at this one. 1900 by 2600. That's a great one. So what I would do is I'd click on this one, and then I would click on View Image. Now I'm going to hover over it, and I'm going to press the Alt key, not Control, not Shift, the Alt key right in front of you. Hold that down and click on this. And it's going to say Open Image, a new tab, Save Image, Copy Image, any of that stuff. I'm going to go to Save Image As. And then it's going to come up where I can save it from. Now I can go to Downloads. I actually am going to save it to my Google Drive. So I'm just going to click on my Google Drive, and I'm going to write in here. Okay. I don't want to get rid of the JPEG end of it, so I'm just going to leave that, and I'm going to write Obama. And then I'll have the JPEG, and I'm going to press Save. Okay. All right, so now I just want to get rid of that. I'll just close that part. All right, so let's look for another celebrity. So I'm going to come up here, and let's, again, I'm going to start in my fresh page. Let's find a girl here. I'm going to type in Beyonce. All right, and I'm going to press Enter. And again, I'm going to come over to Images, and I'm going to look at a lot of them here. I want to try and find one that's a good, it's got a good face. I don't like, this one's great, it's big, but it's missing the top of her head. I mean, a little bit I could do. Like, that one's a little bit better, but still, a lot of these are missing the top of her head. So I want to find something that's straight on. I don't want to have one that has a lot of hands and stuff in the way. This one's awesome. Okay, this one's great. It's coming. She's looking right at you, no hands. That's what I'm looking for. And then I hover over it, and it's got a 2800 by 1800. That's huge. That's a great image. All right, way better than like this one. This one still would be okay at like 700. This one, 920 by 756. That one's okay, but the problem is I'm gonna have to crop it, so it's gonna be even smaller than that. So the one it looks like I'm going to go with, that one's really good too, Now it just comes to which one I would really like. And I think that this one is going to be the easier one to do. It's got her full head. It's not cropped. So I'm going to press that one. Again, I'm going to come over to View Image. I'm going to hold down Alt. Save Image As. Comes up. There's my Obama right there. I'm saving it in my drive. Save. And now it's right there. So that's how you go and grab an image off of the internet. Now I'm going to show you how to get it in Pixlr if that's what you want to do.